I told you I'm a big Blizzard fan. Blizzard Entertainment. What a Warcraft. I'll just pay World of Warcraft at Blizzard Entertainment headquarters, nothing big deal. No one will believe me. I'm at Blizzard headquarters. Stupid. I'm a level 90 at like I really am. "20 seconds till log out." Let's see what the speeds are here. Ow, that sun's right in my face. Why does it say I'm in San Francisco? Well, it is T-Mobile. I'm still dead from the Death Knight. Oh no, oh fuck, I logged back in. Blizzard on Irvine Oaks and Laguna Canyon. Alright. Now if I go to Blizzard, Blizzard Entertainment. Oh, look. That's some extreme World of Warcrafting. I don't know what anybody else can think, but that's some extreme World of Warcrafting right here. See Blizzard. Well, I better get out of here before they call the police. I get all suspicious and shit. Nah. Hey guys at Blizzard, I would like to have a tour if you guys can ever see my account name. Solar Storms on Frostmain server. You know, if you guys could come over or let me in for a tour, I would appreciate that. So, Irvine Oaks. Oh shit, this thing's all jacked up. There you go. Irvine Oaks and Laguna Canyon Road. Oh. And this is Blizzard's headquarters right here. Yeah. Here, I'll touch it for everybody on the internet that's addicted to World of Warcraft. Bam, there you go. Yeah. Blizzard way. Alright, thank you guys for watching.